Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best magnetic tile toys you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many magnetic tile toys and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each magnetic tile toys so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying magnetic tile toys. First, focus on safety and quality. Choose tiles made from non-toxic, BPA-free materials with smooth edges and strong magnets to prevent choking or breakage. Next, consider compatibility and variety. Some brands offer tiles that connect with others, allowing your child to expand their designs easily. Also, look for sets that include different shapes and colors to inspire creativity. Durability is another key factor. High-quality tiles should resist scratches, cracks, and magnet weakening over time. Finally, check educational value. Magnetic tiles can help children learn shapes, colors, and basic engineering skills while having fun. When you find the right balance of safety, quality, and learning potential, you'll get the best value for your money. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.